In this quick Excel tutorial, we are going to learn how to turn a messy dataset into a clean and professional report using just one smart formula. Imagine you are working with a large dataset that includes many columns like ID, status, name, salary, email, region, and more. But in real-life reporting, you don't need everything. You only want to show important information to your manager or client. In our example, we only want to display records where the status is active, and from those records, we only need 3 columns: ID, salary, and region. So here's the smart trick. We use this formula. Type the formula. Press Enter key. First, filter removes inactive data. Then, CHOOSECOLS picks only the needed columns. This trick will save you time, make your reports look professional, and help you work smarter in Excel. Try it with your own data and see the difference instantly.